Hey, how's it going? My name's Harry. Thanks for visiting today. Today I'm going to give you a quick Instagram hack that's going to blow your mind. I'm going to show you how to post to Instagram from your computer. Alright, so this is pretty easy to do. It helps me so much. Like when you're editing a photo on the computer and you're all done, and then all of a sudden you're going to be like, oh, okay, I'm going to now email myself the photo, and then I gotta go to my phone, download the photo, and then I can post it. It's kind of a pain in the butt. But here's the quick way to do it. All right, so let's jump right into the computer, okay? So here I am on my page. So you can see there's no way to post right now, but here's where it is. So we're in Firefox. You can do this on Chrome as well. You go up to Tools here, Web Developer. You pick Responsive Design Mode. Okay, pick that. You can see how it's changed to look like a phone now. You can even click different phones. I've picked the iPhone, which is fine, but there's other options if you really care. But you'll see there's actually no thing, it doesn't actually show up yet. So what you have to do is you have to go up to this little icon here, reload current page, or it's Command R on the Mac. So I'm going to just press that. And then boom, you'll see at the bottom here, you got the little icon to load up to do a post. So I'm going to click here. I've got this photo here that you can have a look here. I got that photo here that I was just working on. Open it. Now you can do everything. You can do whatever you want. You can do that, blah, 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 next. And then you can write your caption and then share. And that's it. Super easy. It saves me so much time and so much hassle because I hate emailing myself photos to post. It's just a pain in the butt. Anyways, hopefully you found that helpful. And if you did, I'd love for you to click the like button and even subscribe if you want. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.